If you have ever wondered whether a piece of writing was created by AI or by a human, Pangram AI is one of the tools designed to help answer that question. In this video, I'll give you a complete walkthrough of Pangram AI and demonstrate its main features using sample text. Let's get started. After signing in, you will arrive at Pangram AI dashboard. The interface is clean and simple. The main feature is the AI detector, where you can trace text or upload a document for analysis. For this demo, I'll use a sample article that contains around 500 words. Now click Analyze. Within a few seconds, Pengram AI processes the content and generates a detailed report. The first thing you will notice is the overall AI probability score. This estimates how likely the content is to have been generated by AI. Below that, Pemgram AI highlights different sections of the text using colors. Some sentences may appear as likely human written, while others are marked as potentially AI generated. This sentence level analysis makes it much easier to identify which part of the document may need closer review. Next, let's explore the detailed insights. Pengram AI provides confidence level for different sections instead of giving only a single percentage. This allows you to understand how consistent the writing style is throughout the document. If your document contains a mix of AI assisted and human written content, the detector can often identify those variations across different paragraphs. This makes it useful for reviewing essays, reports, articles, blogs, and other long form documents. Instead of copying and pasting text, you can also upload supported document files directly into Pangram AI. The platform extracts the text automatically and performs the same analysis, saving time when working with larger documents. Now let's compare two different samples. The first sample is written naturally with personal observation and varied sentence structure. Next, I'll analyze a second sample that follows a more predictable pattern. You will often notice differences in the probability score and highlighted sections, demonstrating how Pengram AI evaluates different writing styles. Overall, Pangram AI offers a straightforward way to analyze written content for potential AI generated patterns. Its clean interface, sentence level highlighting, confidence scores, and document upload support make it easy to review text quickly. Whether you are checking essays, articles, reports, or other written content, Pengram AI provides a detailed analysis in just a few seconds. If you found this demo helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tools demonstrations, and I'll see you in the next one.